OmAgent is a groundbreaking multi-modal agent framework designed for complex video understanding. It addresses the challenges of processing extensive video data with a divide-and-conquer approach. OmAgent efficiently stores and retrieves video frames for specific queries. This innovative system preserves detailed video content and reduces information loss. OmAgent features an autonomous reasoning loop that dynamically invokes API and tools. This enhances query processing and improves accuracy. The framework has been tested on various video types and complex tasks, demonstrating its efficacy. OmAgent is equipped with greater autonomy and a robust tool calling system. This enables it to handle even more intricate tasks. The research paper submitted to ArXiv highlights the advancements in large language models and their application in multimodal contexts. The paper is a significant contribution to the field of computer vision and pattern recognition.